Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I am doing a Coachella collab started by Silah Mae. I will have her channel linked below. There's a few of us participating. I'll have their channels linked below. This is going up on Friday. Today's Tuesday. I'm trying to hurry because I'm trying to go live, but it's okay. And I very hurriedly painted my nails because this was like the perfect Coachella color, and it took forever to get the other coat off. And they're not the prettiest, but they kind of work from far away, so we're gonna go with it. We're just gonna go right on in. I'll probably like just shut up and fast forward the rest of this, and I'm gonna try not to mess up my nails horrendously bad, but you know, you never know. My brow is real quick. Oh, and I'm starting with my base makeup because I like my eye look today. It was like a fiery yellow to orange to red, but I was having a problem with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette from showing. So I'm going to just go over it. I'm going to amp up everything that I have on. Basically, this is what I wore today to work. All right, I am calling myself done for Coachella. I mean, if I had gold rhinestones or, diamonds, I'd probably use them. But I'm either going to Coachella or I'm going to an Aztec sun god worshipping festival. I haven't decided yet. I could really be going to both. So yeah, make sure you check out Silah. Make sure you check out all the girls listed below. I'm sure everybody's slayed and has their own ideas. There's so many ways you could go with this. Look, it's ridiculous. There's so many festivals, there's so many Coachellas, you could just go crazy. So yeah, thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Toodles.